In the previous sessions, we have seen already core Python. Which one? Core Python, guys. In core Python, you tell me what you covered. All of you guys. In core Python, you tell me what we covered. Guys, we reply. The chat box is right, okay? In core Python, what we covered? Ankit, history of Python, operators. Yes, very good. Data structures. Okay, and all basics also, right? Basics means like variables, data types, data structures, right? And reading data from user. Okay, all of you guys, right? Right. So today we'll start what now? We'll start advanced Python, guys. Today, what do we start? Advanced Python. Advanced Python will start now. We start advanced Python, guys. Right. So in advanced Python, so first what you cover means we cover first base like control statements, guys. Which one? Control statements. Control statements. Once control statements over, then we start functions, comprehensions, okay, and lambda expressions, file handling, oops, pattern programs, regular expressions, and exception handling. We'll discuss all one by one. But for entire advanced Python, this is the very important, guys. For entire advanced Python, what is important? Control statements are very important. See, guys, till now, what are we discussed? That core Python, okay, core Python plus these control statements. These two are very important to make program. To make program, these two are very important, guys. Core Python plus control statements. These two are very important. All of you, okay. So now core Python over. Let us see what here control statements. Once control statements over, then we learn what here making the program, guys. Making the basic to high level programming. Basic to which one? High level programming. Okay, right. So guys, anyone knows what is the meaning of control statements? Control statements, guys. Anyone knows? Anyone knows what is the meaning of control statements? All of you guys, you reply in the chat box. What is the meaning of control statement or control statements? In the name only, we have the meaning. In the name only, we have the meaning. Control statements. Control statement. It means the statement. All of it means the statement. The statement which is used. Which is used to control the flow of flow of Python program execution or program execution, guys. Program execution. All of you. The statement which is used to control the flow of a program execution. Program execution, guys. Okay. So here there are three types of control statements. Three types of control statements. The first one is conditional statements. Conditional statements. All of you. What's first one? Conditional statements. The second one is The second one is iterative statements. Iterative statements. The third one is transfer statements. Transfer statements. Conditional statements, iterative statements, and then transfer statements. Conditional statements are also called if conditions. If conditions, all of you. If conditions. If conditions. Iterative statements are also called loops. Loops. What do you call loops? Loops is different. Oops is different, guys. Don't confuse. Loops is different, and oops is different. Okay, this is what loops. Then transfer statements are also called jumping statements. Jumping statements. Okay, so conditional statements, iterative statements, and then transfer statements. Okay, right. Now, let us start. Let us start conditional statements. Which one? Conditional statements. Okay, all of you. What's first one? Conditional statements, guys. Conditional statements. Right. All of you. The best example of conditional statements I'll give you. All of you observe. The best example of conditional statements I'll give you. Suppose let us take one junction, guys. Let us take one junction. All of you. This is the one junction. Imagine now. This is the one junction at right, guys. Okay, right. So all of you guys, are you following me? Everybody in the online? All of you let me know. All of you let me know. Everyone is following me, right? All of you are facing any problem? In the Zoom, there is a problem for some people. That's why we decided to take in the YouTube. Right. Now, all of you guys, what is this one? Tell me now. What is this, guys? It looks like what? It looks like what, all of you? It looks like a, let's take a traffic signal, guys. Which one? A traffic signal. A traffic signal, guys. All of you observe here. All of you, okay? Traffic signal. So here there are four ways. On the four ways, okay, we can expect the vehicles, right? This is the one way vehicles will come. All of you observe. This is the another way that vehicles will come, and also this is the another way that vehicles will come, right? In all the ways, guys, in all the ways vehicles will come. In all the ways vehicles will come, but all vehicles will not move at a time. All vehicles from all sides will not move at a time. Am I right or wrong, all of you? All vehicles from all the sides will not move at a time. Will not move at a time. Okay. So the vehicles will move based on the which one? Based on the traffic signal, guys. Based on the light. Based on the light, traffic signal light. Okay. For example, all of you observe. For example, here this side there is a green light, guys. This side, okay, one side there is a green light. Okay, there is a green light, guys. Then it means what? It means only these vehicles will move. These vehicles may go left side, may go straight or may go, which one? May go left also, guys. Right or left or any direction. All of you, okay? Means means here, what is the meaning? What is the meaning here? Wherever green light is there, the vehicles only will move. The remaining three sides must stop. Means the remaining three sides vehicles are controlled. Are controlled by what? Controlled by which one here? Okay, the light, which light here? Red light. The remaining three sides are controlling by which one? Red light like this. All of you, okay? So it happens for some time, maybe seconds or some 1 or 2 minutes. It happens. Immediately after, what happens now? The color will change. The color will change. So wherever green light is there, that side vehicles will move. Remaining all will stop. Remaining all must stop. That means the traffic signals are controlling the movement of vehicles. The movement of vehicles. The same way, control statements are the state if conditions are controlling the flow of program execution. The flow of program execution. All of you, observe here. I can say that here the statements, uh, so which controls the flow of program execution, program execution. So based on the condition, guys, based on the condition, what is the name here? Conditional statements. Okay. So conditional statements work like which one? Like traffic signals, guys. Traffic signals, and we all know very well how traffic signals will work. Okay, all of you guys, right? So here again there are different types of conditional statements. There are different types of conditional statements. The first one is a simple if statement, guys. Simple if statement. That's first one. The second one is if else statement. What's first one, all of you? The first one is a simple if statement. What second one? If else statement. The third one is L if statement. What third one? L if statement. The same one in other languages it is called if else if statement. In other languages the same one is called what? If else if statement, guys. What you call? If else if statement. Okay, right. Then the next one is what here? The next one is the fourth one is a nested if statement. Nested if statement. That's all. These are the four types of conditional statements. Four types of conditional statements. All of you guys, everybody are able to hear me? All of you guys, everybody are able to follow me? All of you, please give reply so that we start the first type. What is first type? Simple if statement. Simple if statement. Everybody please give reply, guys. Everybody please give reply. Okay, right. So what is first one now? Simple if statement, guys. Simple if statement. Simple if statement. What is the meaning of simple if statement? Okay, right. I'll draw a picture, guys. I'll draw a flow chart so that you can easily understand about a simple if statement. This is what here. Simple if statement. Simple if statement. Okay. Simple if statement. All of you. Right. So here there is a program execution. All of you, there is a program execution. I'll take here. there is a suppose execution going on, and in the middle, what I want to do, we have to check the condition. Then this is called the condition checking. This is called what here? Means the flow is going on. The flow is going on like this. The flow is going on. In the middle, I want to check the condition. The same, right? The traffic signals also. What is happening? The vehicles moving. The vehicles moving here. Once in the middle of the movement, what came here? Traffic signals came. All of okay. The vehicles are in the movement already. They are in the movement. In the middle of the movement, what came here? Traffic signals came. The same case here also. The program executing. The same here also. What is happening? The program executing, and the middle. What happened here? I want to check the condition. Right? I want to check the condition, guys. All of you observe here. This is what. This is we take as a condition. Condition. Okay. Condition, guys. All of you, right? Generally, every condition it can be true or false. Generally, every condition it can be true or false. All of you observe, guys. It can be true or false. Suppose if condition is true, what to do, and if condition is false, what to do. That is what we decide. That is what we decide, guys. All of you. Say a signal came, and now we got which one? Blue line. Okay. Then blue color, guys. Then you can decide. It's our choice. We can go either left or either straight or either which one? Either right, guys. It's our choice. Right, here also same. Here also, once condition is true, what to execute? Our choice. Once condition is false, what to execute? Our choice. Both are our choice. Okay. So this is what now. This is if condition is true, guys. This is what here. This is what if condition is true. If this condition is true, this one. All of a condition is true, and here which one? If condition is false, guys. If condition is false, condition is true, condition is false. Okay, all of you, right? So we are discussing which one here? Discussing the simple if, right? Remember this point. Discussing what? Simple if statement. Simple if. Simple if means if condition is true, then only execute a block. Execute a block. Block means what, guys? Block means a set of statements. Set of statements. And this block executing once condition is true, that's why it is called the following block. It is following the condition, right? So that's why this is called generally the following block. This is called what? Following block. It's called following block. So what is block? What is block here? All of you. Block means a set of statements. Set of statements. Block means what? Set of statements, guys. Set of statements. The statements can be any statements. Maybe normal print statements or something. Okay. But what you call it here? Set of statements is called what? A block. A block. Okay. If condition is true, then block executing. Okay. Suppose if condition is false, then what's are? If condition is false, what to execute here? What to execute? This is what here simple if, right? Okay. In the simple if, only it is considered if it is true. If it is false, then no execution, guys. If it's false means what? If it's false means no execution. No execution here. All of you. If condition is false, it means what? It means no execution. Means nothing execution, guys. That's all. Only if condition is true, then only execute the block. If condition is false, no execution means skip it. Skip it, guys. Okay, no execution, nothing. Only condition is true only, because this is what simple if statement. Simple if statement. Sir, if condition false also, I want some blocks, sir, compulsorily. Then we go for second type. What second type? If else. This is if, this is else at that time. Okay, but here else is not there, right? Only if is there. That's why no block if condition is false. All of you guys, let me know. Till now, everybody's clear this one? All of you guys, let me know. So if you're clear, then I make a syntax, then I make some programs. I make some programs. All of you guys, everyone please give reply. Everyone please give reply. Okay, right. So what is syntax? Tell me now. What is syntax here? What is syntax here? If condition is true, execute the block. That's all. If condition is true, execute the block. Right. So now I'll give syntax, guys. All of you. I'll give syntax here. I'll give syntax. All of you, one or two saying that screen is not clear. Screen is not clear. All of you guys, are you facing all the same problem? All of you, some are saying that it's clear. One or two saying that not clear. If anyone not clear, guys, please okay, check once internet level. But almost all saying that it's clear, right? You can see the chat box chatting of others. Okay, and increase the quality, guys. Increase the video quality, please. Yes, Sarang, right? Your point is correct. Increase what? Increase the video quality, guys. Because see, when you watch the YouTube video, if your video is not clear, what we do, guys? We increase the quality, right? Here also same, guys. Okay, right. Fine, guys. Let's go now. Let's go now. What here? Simple if statement. Simple if statement. Okay. Right. So what's definition now? Definition is the first. It will check the condition. It will check the condition, guys. All of you. First, what is happening? First, what is happening here? It will check the condition, guys. Okay. It will check the condition, right? All of you. It will check the condition. If condition is true, if condition is true, then what is happening here? It execute the block. If condition is true, it execute what here? The block. If condition is false, it will skip the block. Or if condition is false, then no execution. Then no, okay, no execution, guys. If condition is false means what? No execution. No execution. All of you. Okay, I give the definition. I give the definition. I give the definition. Okay, it will check the condition first. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, then it will execute. It will execute the which one, guys? Following block. All of you. If the condition is true, then it will execute what? It will execute the following block. The following block. Okay, next. You tell me, guys, now if the condition is false, then what is happening? If the condition is false, then tell me, guys, now all of you. If the condition is false, then what will happen? Tell me. If the condition is false, then what will happen, guys? If the condition is false, then what will happen? All of you. If the condition is false, then what will happen? Aniket, very good. Sai Chaitanya, very good. Sarang, excellent. Right. If the condition is false, then no execution. No execution, guys. No execution. If the condition is false, then no execution. Or nothing will execute, guys. No execution or nothing will execute. Okay. All of you guys. Right. Then the syntax is, all of you, I'll give the syntax now. I'll give the syntax. Okay. The syntax is, if, all of you, if must be small case. If I have if, okay, small case letters, guys. If, then we take the condition. We take the condition. If condition is true, then execute the block. If condition is true, then what happens here? Execute the block. That is block. That is block. That's all, guys. And of this syntax, that's all. Only simple if, no else here. Because it's what here? Simple if. If condition is true, then what happens here? Execute the block. Execute the block. Okay. Right. Now, let's make some examples, guys. Let's go with some examples. So till now, all of you, we worked on the core, which one? Ideally shell, right? Till now, work on which one? Ideally shell. What is the name here? What is the name here? Ideally shell. Ideally shell. Okay. So, but now we use some editor to make the programs, guys. Till now, we did not make any program, only basics, operators, data structures, all basics, okay. But now onwards, we make the programs, right? To make the programs, we required some editors. Required what? We require editors, right? Okay, editors, all of you. We required some editors, right? So what editors we use? What editors we use? All of you observe. What editors we use to make the program? To make program, what editors we use? See, guys, in Python there is a default file, guys. In Python there is a ideally shell. In ideally shell, go to file. You can open the new file, guys. You can open the new file. In the new file, you can make the programs here. In the new file, you can make the programs, guys. This is the one way to make the Python programs. This is called ideally file. Ideally file. Here you make the programs, all of you. That is what, that is the ideally file, guys. Okay. Which comes along with Python software. That is default in the Python. Okay. Next, you can use PyCharm also. You can download the PyCharm, use the PyCharm, or you can use Atom also, guys. Atom software. Download from Google, use it. Or you can use Jupyter Notebook also. Jupyter Notebook also, guys. Jupyter Notebook is there. Or VSC. VSC stands for what? Visual Studio Code. Like that, so many are there, guys. So many are there. All of you. Or simply, you can make the notepad also, guys. You can take simply a notepad also. The Windows notepad is the default, right? Use the notepad also. But what we do while saving the file, we should give the with .py, guys. While saving the file, we should give the extension is what? .py. .py. All of you. Suppose I am saving the file name, suppose as a my file, then give .py compulsorily. Whether you go for PyCharm, Atom, Jupyter, VSC, Notepad, whatever it is, we should give what? .py compulsory we should give. In case of ideally file, we don't need to give .py. It takes by default Python file only. In case of ideally file, we don't need to give .py. If you give also no problem, but not required because already it's a Python file, right? Python inbuilt file only. These all are the softwares that we need to install, whether PyCharm or Atom or Jupyter also we have to install. VSC we have to install. Notepad is the default in Windows, but it's a normal file, right? We have to save with .py. Okay. So right now I start with what, guys? I start with the ideally file. I start with the ideally file. Later we go with remaining all also PyCharm, Atom, Jupyter. We'll go all, guys. Okay, so I start with what now? IDLE file. How to work with IDLE file? First, what we do? Open the IDLE shell, guys. Open what? First IDLE shell. IDLE shell open, right? In that shell, go for the file. Take the new file. Take the new file like this. And what is the file name? What is the file name till now? What is there? Untitled is there. What is there? Untitled means the name is not given to this file. Now you can save the file directly first of all and make the program later, or first make the program later we can save it. No problem, guys. I save the first file. Go to file and save the file. A shortcut is what? Control S. I am giving the file name. I am giving the file name. Suppose Python at 7. That's all, guys. 7 p.m. That's all. And what is saved by default Python file? It means it will take automatically .py. It takes automatically .py. If you don't give also no problem. If you give also no problem, guys. Okay. And you can see now our file name. You can see the file name. All of you. What's file name? Python at 7 p.m. is the file name. And that is saved in this location. C drive, users, Sikti, app data, local programs, Python, Python 3.11. In this location, this file is saved, guys. Means it's showing the path also where the file is saved. Okay, right. Now let's make which one, guys? Simple if. Okay, simple if program, guys. Simple if programs. Simple if programs. Right. So let's take the program one, guys. First, program one. So here, what I want now, I want to check the student marks, and whether if you get more than 35 or 35, I want display. Okay, congratulations, you are passing the exam. If you get less than 35, just I leave it, guys. I don't display any message because it's simply right. Okay, if condition is true only, I can proceed to what to say to him. If condition is false, just I leave it. For that one, first what we do, we take the student marks. How take the student marks? Input of enter. I am saying your marks. Enter your marks like this. Whatever is giving the marks, whatever is giving the number. Suppose is giving something 40. That 40 taking by which function? Input function. Which format? String format. But I want the same format, right? Integer format. Then it's better to use what here? Eval. Which one? Eval, guys. We can use the int function also, guys. We can use the int function also. But int function will work only if it gives a integer number. If you give suppose 40.5 marks at that time, int will not work, guys. At the time, what required? A float required, float function required. But for every time, we can't change the function, right? We can't modify the function program. That's why to allow both integer values, float values, what is better one? Eval is the better, guys, which allows integer conversion, allows float conversion. Okay, both allows. Then assign one variable called marks variable. All of you. Okay. So first of all, that number taken by which function? Input function. Which format? String format only. Always input takes string format. That string taken by eval. What does it do? It converts into base form. What is the base form already? Float. It take into float only. Then assign to marks variable. Now marks variable contains which value? 40.5. Which type? Float type. Okay. Then what's condition now? If the marks must be equal to or more than equal to how much? 35. If it's 35, see, greater than or equal to means the value which is saved in this variable, that variable value must be greater than or equal to 35, guys. What is the value here? We don't know. What is the value here? We don't know, guys. It can be any value. It can be any value. We don't know what is that value. All of you. Okay. So whatever value is there, that value I am comparing with this fixed value. 35 is the fixed, right? Okay. If it is true, if condition is true, then I start the block. All of you. But here in other languages we use curly brackets to write a block. We use curly brackets in other languages like C, C++, Java, .NET, or wherever you go, we use curly braces to represent the block. But in Python language, we don't use the curly braces to represent the block. Okay, so we use what here? We use the indentation. That means end of the if take the colon. Take the colon. After colon, if I click enter, if I click enter, then the space is coming. That space is called indentation, guys. This is called indentation. Indentation. The cursor not moving to beginning of the line. It is taking the space automatically. It is taking the space automatically. After giving the colon, if I click enter, that takes the space automatically. How much space? One tab space. One tab. One tab means four spaces. One tab means how much? Four. It's taking automatically. We don't give manually. Then I start the block here. Print. Suppose hello student. Hello student. I just want display you got passed, okay, passed in the exam. Then I take one more also. You can take a multiple statements in a block. I can take here congratulations. I can take what here? Congratulations. That's all. Now the block over. Once block over, leave it. We don't need to go to again new line or not required. We can leave it empty. That's all. All of you. Whenever the condition is true, then this block will execute, guys. If the condition is false, then no other execution. This block will skip and below no execution, guys. No execution if condition is false. All of you. Okay. So now what is over here? Writing the program over. Now how to run the programs are? Writing the program over, but how to execute, how to see output. And all of you can see the top of the file, before the file name, you can find the star. Star is the right. You can find the star, asterisk symbol. It means the file is not saved. The file has some updates. The file has some changes, some modifications. Even though you saved previously with some name, you given some name. After giving the name, till now some changes are there. That's meaning of star. The beginning of the file, end of the beginning of the name, end of the path. You can see what is there. Star is the star means what? Okay, need to save. So for that one, I can click the control yes. So file is saved. You can see there is no star. Star is not there means what? File is saved. That's why after every modification, we had to click control S automatically, guys. We should do it compulsorily in the ideally file. Suppose now cursor is there, right? Simply click the backspace. Just to backspace. Still again, what came now? Star came. Means what? Again, some changes are there. Star represents here, some changes are there. Need to save. That is the meaning. So then what we do? You can click the control S, or else just go to the run. Click the run module. Module means what? File. Run file. Or shortcut here F5. See now I'm not saving, but I'm running. Now it says that okay, source must be saved. Okay, to save. Okay, source must be saved. Okay, to save. It means what? Okay, before running we have to save it, guys. Before running we have to save it. Okay, save it, guys. Now I'm saving this one. Okay, means it will save and execute, guys. That's why no need to click always control S. Directly run the file and click OK. That's enough. Now you can see all of you. What is there here? What is there now? Tell me. What is there here? Enter our marks. I am giving the marks. Suppose 60. I am giving what here? 60, guys. 60 marks I am giving. 60 marks I am giving. Now if I click enter, the 60 taking by which function? Taking by the input function. Input function, which format? String format. Which format? String format. Okay, string format. Then the string taken by eval and convert into base type. What is the base type? Integer. It takes into integer. That integer value assigned to what? Marks. Integer value assigned to what here? Assigned to marks. Okay, assigned to marks. Now what is marks value? Marks value 60, guys. 60. What value is there? 60 is there. What is the value? 60. That 60 like this. Now 60 means the variable value, guys, is given by user. That 60 greater than equal to 35. True or false? It is true. If it is true, then execute the block. Execute the block. What is there here? Hello student, you got passed in the exam. Congratulations will display. That's all, guys. All of you, okay? That's what execution process. Okay. Suppose I want to execute again with other marks. Again, go to the source file. Again, run. Okay, run is there. Or simply what we do? F5, guys. What we do? F5. See, in my laptop, I'm clicking the F5, but no changes. That run is not coming. Even the click F5, this option not coming, guys. This option, this is not coming. Sorry, no changes, right? Okay, all of you, I do some changes here, okay. Now click the F5, not coming here, not coming. That source must be saved that window. Why? Because in some keyboards, only F5 support. In some keyboards, function plus F5, guys. Function plus F5. It means what? Hold function button, click F5. In some keyboards, I have seen someone Alt plus F5, guys. Alt plus F5. In some keyboards, CTRL, Control plus F5, guys. F5. Function F5 or Control F5 or Alt F5, guys. Okay. Or some right to support F5 only. But in my case, I am clicking the F5. F5 is not supporting. That's why what do? I go with the function F5, guys. Function F5. Okay. Now what do? Fn function, hold it, click the F5. So it's coming now. Now I say okay. Now I am giving some 20 marks, guys. How much I am giving? I am giving some 20 marks only. 20 marks only. If I run this one, okay, then this 20 taken by which one? Taken by the input function, guys. Taken by what? Input function. Input function, which format? Like this. All of you observe now. Taken by input function, which format? String format, like this. Which format? String format, guys. Now evolve of string. Evolve of means what does it do? Simply it removes the quotes, guys. Remove the quotes, and what will be there now? Simply 20 will be there. The 20 assigned to what? Marks. Now it's marks value 20. What's value, guys? Here value is 20. Now 20 greater than or equal 35. The condition true or false, all of you? The condition true or false, all of you, let me know. The condition is true or false, guys? All of it, me know. The condition true or false here? False, right? False. False means what now? False means here no execution, because if condition is false means the following block not execute, guys. Not execute. And outside no condition is, no statement is there. That's why no output here, guys. No output. See, no output here. No output. That's all. Suppose all of you observe at the after the block over, outside the block, I am taking okay, simply suppose I just take here thank you for using something like nth.com website, something like this is there. All of you generally maybe not now, like 10 years back, 15 years back, So to check the results, we go to internet center, right? And there we get the printout, the marks printout, okay, that internet center. So there all our marks are there. Whether you get pass, you get fail, at last what is there? Thank you for using some manabadi.com website will be there. Whether we pass, we fail. This is common, guys, at that time. Now in this case, all of you observe, execute again, execute again. I am giving, oh sorry, here it's not there, right? It should be there, guys. What should be there here? So below in the top of the input function, right? Okay. That's all, guys. That is there because I want to take the marks from student, right? That's all, guys. Now run this one. Run this one. Right. So I'm giving suppose 25 marks, guys. 30 marks. I am giving how much? 30 marks I am giving, guys. Okay, 30 marks I am giving. Now tell me the condition true or false, guys, all of you. The condition true or false. I am giving 30. The condition true or false, guys. All of you. The condition true or false? The condition is false. The condition what? False. Okay, false, guys. Now output will come. In the output, what will display? In the output, what will display, guys? What will display? No output or something will display now. If condition is false, generally no output, right? But in this case, what will display? All of you. So here you can see I am giving 30 marks, 30, right? Condition false. At that time, so if this block will skip, guys, no other block and on this thank you, right? It will execute, guys. Why? Because this print is not part of the either this if. All of you, this print is not part of this if block. It is outside is there. Outside is there. So this one is common whether condition is true or false. All of you, whatever is outside the block, that is common whether condition is true or condition is false. Let us try now. I am giving 30. You see, it's saying that thank you for using website. Or I am giving the marks. Suppose 99. 99. All of you. I am giving the how much here? 99. 99. And then what happens here? Condition true or false, all of you? I am giving 99. Condition true or false? Condition true or false, guys, all of you? Condition is tell me now. Condition true, right? Condition true. So then at the time the block will execute and commonly this thank you also will execute, guys. Commonly the thank you also will execute. You can see now. The block executed and commonly thank you also executed. All of you. In the same program here, so I don't want display hello student. I want display the student name. I want display student name. Then first of all, take the student name. Take the student name also, guys. I am taking the name also. Okay. I am taking the student name. What student name? Input of enter your good name or enter your name, our choice. I just take your name and we don't want to use eval here. The eval we don't want to use here because name means what? Already string value is coming, right? Already string is coming. That string we don't need to convert. All of you. Okay. Now the name is giving, right? That name we use here, guys. That name we use. Some people directly use name like this. All of you, that variable name, that object name, can I use directly here? You cannot use directly here because if you use here, it will take as a string. It take as a what? Take as a string, guys. It take as a string. But this name is not the string. It's a variable, right? It's a variable which has the value. At that time, this one must be outside the quotes. Outside the quotes like this. Hello, comma, name like this. Hello, comma, name. If I give the name is Narayana. Then what displays hello Narayana. Hello Narayana. Okay, let us try now, guys. Let us try now. I am giving the name Narayana. I am giving the marks 80. Now displays hello Narayana. Hello Narayana. You got passed in the exam. Congratulations. Thank you for using nth.com website. All of you guys. Okay. So like this, what we use after string over, take the comma, then we can take the variable name. We can take the variable name. This is the one way. One way also is there. What we do within the brackets only, give the placeholder. And hello, I want to display name, right? Name. Where is the variable name? That variable name we use format of. I can use the name so that. So in the string, how many placeholders are there? One placeholder is there. One placeholder is there. In that placeholder, this variable value will replace. This variable value will replace where? In this placeholder, guys. In this placeholder. Again, let us see now. Again, let us see here. I am giving this time, suppose let's take the name, some Koti here. I am giving the marks 99. Now, what displays now? You can see. Hello, Koti. You got passed in the exam. Congratulations. Thank you for using a website, guys. So we can use format also we can use, guys. This is very useful when you want to pass the two or more variables inside the string. Means when you want to use more variables inside the string, then format is the always best one, guys. Format way. Okay, all of you, right? So let me know, guys, all of you, this program everybody understand, right? All of, let me know, guys, this one everybody understanding. Right. So guys, this is the programming, right? That's why I'm going very slow, guys. I'm repeating each one multiple times so that all can easily understand, all of you. So I'm repeating each statement multiple times because everybody must understand, right? Okay, right. This is the one program, guys. One simple program. This one. This one simple program. Okay, right. So next one, let us see one more program, guys. Let us see one more program. One more program here. Just basic program, guys. Only if condition. Only if. The same program we implement next if else, if, next if all, because someone may get the doubt, someone may get the doubt here. Sir, I am giving the name, some name, suppose Kiran, and I am giving the marks, suppose some 250 marks, sir. How much? 250. Actually, maximum marks how much? Only 100 only. Only 100 only. But I am giving more than 100, sir. More than 100. Then in this case, condition is true, and you got passed. All will come. All will come like this, right? You can see now. Out of actually maximum marks how much? Only 100 only. But I am giving some extra marks. That means I want to display invalid marks. I want to display what? Invalid marks. By displaying outputs are house are. That means by using multiple conditions we control it, guys. By using extra conditions we control it. Okay, that we see in the coming examples. If else, if there we see exactly. If you give more than 100, I want to display invalid marks. If you give less than 0, I want to display invalid marks. Like that we see in the coming examples. Okay, all of you, right? Right. This is the one example, guys. One example. Just remember, guys, only one program we have done, and we do multiple programs in the next session, guys. All of you. Already 1 hour, right? That's fine. In the next session, we go for multiple examples by using which one? This simple if, guys. Okay, simple if, right? So all of you guys, everybody's clear, right? Till now. All of you, everybody's clear, right? Right. So fine, guys, we stop it now. We stop it now. Tomorrow also we'll go with the same which one guys, this YouTube live only, all of you. Okay, and you can share to your friends also, guys. You can ask your friends also to join this one, because why I'm taking the YouTube live means, so previously I have taken their Zoom, right? Some people saying that Zoom problem is there, sir, unable to join. That's why I'm taking the YouTube, guys. I think everybody happy with YouTube, right? So fine, guys, we stop it now. Tomorrow also same time, and we'll continue the this if conditions. Thank you a lot, guys. Bye. Good night.